Alright guys, well, we got it all set up here now. As you can see, we got it turned on. Let's turn off a little bit of light here. You see, we got it turned on. All set up. It's running. Had to give a little design to it. As you can see. That looks a little better having that light off. There we go. You can see we got it all set up, and well, we're going to give it a run here, and we're going to see how this little prime weld machine that they sent to me, how it works and that. And I'll definitely let you know compared to my lift TIG machine that I have. But it's a nice rig. It comes, with a foot pedal for high frequency start. Comes with a CK Worldwide number 17 flex head torch. I'm using my trusty old CK Worldwide number 9 flex head with a super flex hose. Comes with a heavy duty ground. So let me get to using this machine here, and I'll take some pictures and I'll put them up. But we got it all set up, and we're going to see what kind of welds I can lay down with this machine. Thank you very much. Thank you, Prime Weld.